While everyone's fighting for $45,000 corporate jobs that demand degrees, there's a global network hiring Americans right now for overseas roles that can fast-track your career in ways most people never even consider. And the secret? Government contracting. In this video, I'll reveal 3 entry-level career paths that can put you on the fast track to a security clearance, paid training, and a level of financial acceleration you won't find in traditional jobs. Look, I'm going to give you 3 specific paths that can take you from your very first contract to a high-value, high-responsibility role faster than most people climb the corporate ladder. But let's be clear, this isn't a magic get-rich-quick button. You'll work, you'll be away from home. Advancement comes with performance. Still, these roles offer something unique. Clearance, eligibility, employer-paid training, and career timelines that can outpace the corporate world by years. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how these jobs work, what they can realistically offer, and how to start positioning yourself for them today. Companies like Jacobs GDIT and Booz Allen Hamilton hire Americans into overseas facilities support roles. Starting pay? $50,000 to $70,000. Plus housing, meals, travel allowances, and other benefits that reduce your living expenses dramatically. Here's where it gets interesting. Most Americans will never get near clearance-level work, but in this path, you could be on track for it in your first contract. Many people who now work as facilities supervisors in contracting started in entry-level support and worked their way up to $85,000, or even double that overseas. And they achieved that easily within 2 to 4 years. And the bigger win? You're learning the systems and procedures of secure facilities. You're working in environments where clearances are a requirement for advancement, and that alone can increase your future earning potential by $20,000 to $50,000 annually. If you think that's fast, the next path could put you alongside cleared personnel from day one. Administrative contracting roles don't just fill paperwork, they put you in the heart of operations. Entry-level roles like mail clerk, records specialist, or administrative assistant usually start between $45,000 and $65,000, plus benefits. From day one, you're working alongside people with security clearances, handling sensitive processes, and learning how classified environments operate. That exposure is gold when you're trying to qualify for clearance roles yourself. Within 18 to 36 months, many move into logistics coordinator or program administrator positions, paying $110,000 overseas, with clearance eligibility often built in. These aren't just admin jobs. They're launch pads opening doors to higher-paying roles across multiple contracting companies. Now let me tell you about the paths to 6 figures that most people never hear about. Yes, they're real. Yes, they're achievable. But you must do the legwork. Once you get that security clearance, the game changes completely. Cleared positions start at $90,000 to $120,000 and can reach $150,000 plus with experience. But here's the key. It's still much easier to achieve than in private sector or corporate America. Why? Because this industry promotes based on clearance level and proven performance, not politics or who you know. The timeline? 2 to 5 years to 6 figures if you're strategic about it. I only share the companies with the fastest clearance sponsorship programs to my email subscribers. If you want the inside track on which contractors are actively sponsoring clearances right now, get on my list. These opportunities move fast and most never hit the public job boards. Technical roles, maintenance techs, IT support equipment specialists often offer the fastest advancement timeline in contracting. Starting salaries? $55,000 to $75,000, plus full benefits. But it's the promotion path that makes these roles stand out. Many supervisors and specialists in this space started with no prior clearance and minimal technical background. Within 2 to 5 years, proven performers can be making $120,000 to $160,000 overseas, often in clearance-required positions that boost your market value for the rest of your career. These skills are transferable across multiple contractors, making you highly portable and in demand worldwide. Here's what nobody talks about: the lifestyle benefits that can transform your entire financial picture. First, tax-free income. Many overseas positions qualify for foreign earned income exclusion, meaning you could earn up to $120,000 completely tax-free. That's like making $140,000 to $150,000 in the States. Second, zero living expenses. Housing, meals, utilities, transportation, all covered. Your entire paycheck goes to savings and investments. Third, world travel. You're getting paid to live in Asia, Europe, Africa, experiencing cultures most people only dream about. Fourth, financial acceleration. While your friends are spending 80% of their income on rent and bills, you're saving 70 to 90% of yours. Here's the insider secret that changes everything. This business runs on referrals. Once you're in the system and prove yourself reliable, contractors will actively recruit you for better positions. Your network becomes your net worth. I've seen people jump from $60,000 positions to $120,000 roles with a single phone call from someone they worked with. The relationships you build overseas become your career insurance policy. When contracts end, you're not job hunting. You're choosing between multiple offers. My email subscribers get access to my contractor network insights, who's hiring, who's promoting, and how to position yourself for the best referrals. This information isn't available anywhere else, and it's what separates the people who build careers from those who just collect paychecks. What makes these roles worth considering? Financial acceleration. With housing, meals, and major expenses covered, many save 60 to 80% of their income. Career positioning. You're advancing faster than corporate timelines allow. Clearance pathways. Clearances can add $20,000 to $50,000 to annual pay. Global experience. Cross-cultural and operational skills that translate to many industries. This is not easy money. Hours can be long. Environments can be challenging. Contracts can change unexpectedly. But for those who commit, perform, and adapt, the rewards are unlike anything most people in traditional jobs ever see. Companies like Jacobs, GDT, Booz Allen, and CACI have been building careers in this space for decades. They invest heavily in reliable people who grow with them. Step 1. Go to the career pages of the companies I've mentioned. Step 2. Filter for overseas roles in your target region. Step 3. Look for positions that don't require a clearance yet, but note which ones are clearance eligible. Whether it's facility support in Asia, administrative work in Europe, or technical roles in Africa, there are opportunities for Americans ready to commit. This channel is growing by 2,000 new subscribers every week because people are discovering these opportunities exist. If you're watching this, you're now part of the small group of Americans who know this hidden path exists, what I call the global earners. Hit that subscribe button and join the 25,000 plus people who are already building careers most Americans don't even know about. In over a decade in this industry, I've seen the same truth over and over. The people who succeed aren't always the most qualified on paper. They're the ones who understand how to build expertise and relationships inside this ecosystem. Only my insiders, the people on my email list, get the deep dive intel. It's the difference between hearing about jobs weeks late and getting hired before anyone else even knows they exist. On top of that, the first 1,000 will receive my complete clearance pathway guide, the only guide on earth that can show you what on-ramps are available to get you cleared fast if you're eligible. You can keep competing in the same job market as everyone else, the same rat race designed to keep you underpaid, overworked, and in debt. Or you can step into an industry most Americans don't even know exists. This path isn't for everyone, but for those who take it seriously, it can transform your finances and your career trajectory. Hit like so more people find these opportunities. Drop "Tell me more" in the comments and subscribe for more videos on high-paying roles you've probably never heard of. Because while others are stuck in the same old routine, you could be building skills, income, and global experience that opens doors for life.